Cool cats. What makes a cat cool? What's considered as a cool pet? Cool pet? Cool dog? High five. Good boy. Alright everybody, today we're gonna dig in and see what makes these pets so cool. We're gonna talk about a pet. Not this pet. A pet that doesn't exist around you, but on the block. So since the day that human being became civilized, we don't even care about food, our basic needs, started building cities, human beings started to ask for companionship, which we couldn't really even take care of ourselves, and we want to take care about another animal. Hey, I'm here to buy a pet. You're looking for a pet? Well, we have this Korean Pomeranian teacup, if you like. It's a Pomeranian. Oh my god, how cute! Take my money! Take my money! Take it! We feed him. Alright, Trevor, I'm gonna go to work. We're getting breakfast. We brushed him. Alright, ready to go to work. Nice and neat. You too. Nice. Care about them. This is my territory, not yours. Down. Sit down. Out. Out. And sometimes we share our deepest secrets with them. Right, Turbo? I looked at her in the eyes, and then she looked at me. But I was so sad. I saw we had something, you know, Turbo. I really saw we had something. That stupid Starbucks girl. However, today, I'm gonna tell you, you have the chance to raise a real pet, but not in the real world. I'm just kidding. The world had been having digital pets since the early 2000s. Such as Nintendo dogs or even Nintendo cats. And inside, you could walk them, you could feed them, brush them, buy them presents, and they even poop inside. And those pets are all based on digital pixels. I don't know why human beings are getting themselves into these messes. Alright, let's take it apart. We're not talking about these electronic fantasy animals anymore, but we're talking about a pet that could help. You never ever imagined that for one day, for example, you're locked outside your door and you forgot your keys. And you wish that your dog could help you open the door. Oh my god, I forgot my keys. Wait, what? Turbo. Thank you. Or have you ever tried to imagine that your dog could help you with your math equations? Alright, so you're saying if I put X over here, I minus it over here as well, right? You finished it? Oh my god, how do you know all this, man? Thank you, Belle. I never wished that your pet could help you do your spreadsheet. Alright. We're looking at a pet that could do all of the above. Well, that sounds a little bit too good to be true. Or is it? Today's pet we're talking about could do one of the above, which is make money for you. Which brings back to our topic today, cool pets. What is cool pets? Cool pets originated from a project that was launched back before last year called Cool Cats. People were crazy about the NFT. Cool Cats launched at a low 0.06 Ethereum, and at that time they actually decided to reduce the price, which brought the floor price to 0.02 and sold out immediately, which was how it brought to a success. And Cool Cats today, which is worth at a nearly 15 Ethereum floor price. So for those who got the NFT early, you lucky bastards. Alright, that was the strategy, but how was the art? Cool Cats has very simple and bold lines. Not too much colors going on, and people really dig it and love it. However, for me, the art is a little bit too plain. It actually reminds me of a childhood drink called QOO, Core. Don't tell me it doesn't look the same. It looks just like it's. They definitely look like relatives. And congratulations, they found each other right now because of me. So what made Cool Cats so different with other NFTs? The strategy is the same. They have a random generator generating all kinds of looks. And there's actually a ranking score on how rare your NFT, or specifically your cool cat, is. And the cooler your cat is, which from the classic to exotic range will be more expensive. So for example, a froggy cat was at 75 Ethereum, which is booming crazy. Like other NFT communities, after expanding and getting bigger and bigger, they get more utilities and even raffles. As a cool cat holder and being part of the community, you are rewarded with milk. Not this milk, but milk as a token inside the community that could exchange goods and services. So as a father and son project, Cool Cats had the same strategy, but actually a follow-up project which called Cool Pets. But the difference about Cool Pets is that it initial as an egg, which I don't know why. Cats lay egg. Boom! Because you're not actually raising a cat. What comes out could be anything. And each pet that comes out actually kind of have like a theme, which is fire, water, and air. Which is really similar to Pokemon, but not, because there's only 4 types, which I would assume water kills fire, fire kills grass, and most likely air kills grass, grass kills water, and on and on. That's just how I assume it. So back to Cool Pets. We were talking about in the community, you get utility. You could get milk, you could honestly get all kinds of items. Fountain, peppers, and whatever you use on the egg. The more milk spent on each egg will bring out a more exotic pet, which also means more expensive. As the pets grow up, there are actually forms that they could evolve into. So it starts as this initial egg form, and then into a starter form, and then there's a middle form, and there's a final evolution. So it actually playing with a really similar Pokemon Digimon formula, having these evolutions. So I would assume they probably will have battles since they already have the grass, fire, and water, and air. However, I believe that as such a huge community and having such impact on the world and in the NFT market, they definitely would come out with a lot more fun and more creative way of playing. I don't know about you, but I really want to get a cool pet. Don't let him hear that. It's not that you're not cool enough, it's just that you couldn't make money. And I really want to sit in bed and have my dog or cat just tell me that, oh, breakfast is ready. Oh, my dear master, this is your food money. I'm just kidding. Alright everybody, if you're a pet holder, tell me, please let us know how your eggs turn out. I'm really interested. Share with us your experience with the community if you're a cool cat or cool pet holder, and please stay tuned in the LAG community. Thank you.